Okay, same model, and I will place the cursor in the center. Here, moving, and as you can see, it's not going same, but this one is no driver yet. If I'm using the mouse, of course it will work. Let's install the driver. Okay, so let's check again. Back to the updates. So as we can see, this is the updates, including the Lenovo. Okay, and the good thing is, if I click it in the center here, this way, so now the touchpad is working. Okay, you see, yeah, it's moving. So indeed, this model is not compatible. Some of the drivers are not, for Windows 10. This hardware is, supports only for Windows 11 64-bit. Okay, so problem solved. This unit will run Windows 11 and not Windows 10.